Well, the storage system that we did for Bruynzeel was very interesting because we never worked in that field before. And you know, you get this project, you get signed up, and then you start working. And of course, you think, what is this? This is function. This is how can you store a lot of stuff, whatever that stuff is, on a relatively small space. It's about square meters, you could say. But then, of course, there's a lot of other things to it when you start thinking of it. And one of them that we discovered is that it's not enough just to have function. You also want to have aesthetics.
The development of the library space within the building is built on 2 wings, an east wing and a west wing. And as part of the development, we took the choice that actually we wanted to maximise the amount of space that was available for students to study in. So using mobile storage was a great opportunity to maximise the potential in terms of space and storage for our physical stock, whilst minimising the impact in terms of student space for study purposes.
We moved from a very large space. We had approximately twice as much space in our former lease because it was in one plain space, or ground floor space actually, and we had to move to something considerably smaller because you couldn't find anything big enough, close enough to the city that we could stay in. So we had to move everything to about half the size of the building that we used to have.
Also, uns war wichtig, dass wir auf der einen Seite ein funktionales Büro haben, auf der anderen Seite es aber auch die Transparenz nicht verliert, dass es weiterhin offen wirkt und großzügig wirkt. Und also haben wir uns überlegt, wie können wir die vielen Akten so unterbringen, dass wir räumlich kein Problem bekommen und die Transparenz nicht kaputt machen.
We have a modern storage unit that is easy to work with and takes much better care of our materials than our former systems, because everything we had was hand-driven. You know, it was sort of, you became very tired in the arm by the end of the day, if we're honest. And this is completely automatic, and it's much better catered to our needs because there's much better space for our materials and we can have much more on each shelf than we used to be able to.
I've been really pleased with the way that the new shelving units have worked. They've really improved the amount of space that we have for stock.
Das Gebäude ist transparent, ist weißer Stahl außen, und deswegen war unsere Überlegung, dass wir auch schöne Möbel nehmen, moderne Möbel nehmen, und haben uns in der Richtung beraten lassen und sind dann auch auf die Möbel, die wir jetzt haben, gekommen.
I think the future of office design is going to follow the future of this planet in general. If you look at the office that we had 100 years ago and what we got today, it has improved immensely.